Alright, this is the big workhorse, as Ed would say. Doesn't want to be in the video. This is a 20 cuber. Here's the control panel. Get on the little step ladder so I can see. Ooh, he's doing some serious cobbing here. Going right through the screen. Parts would be coming right out of here. Here comes a part right now. Disappeared. Beautiful, quiet as a mouse. Roto-Finish. Ed swears these are the best. There's a pneumatic gate, so you need a little air pressure. Here's the knob over here. Wiggling as it should. Great bowl. Here's a nice clean out. A couple of them here, you know, to let the water, if you're using water, it'll settle in here, then the water comes out. I don't know if you can hear me or not. This is an automatic greaser back here. This is a grease cartridge right here. Got an air pressure grease cartridge, so it automatically greases the machine. So you don't have to come in here and hit it with a grease gun and worry about an operator not doing the job. And he keeps these little covers on them to keep the dust down, and then he puts a vacuum on them. Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. Now you just dropped the gate. Now the stuff's going around, and now it's doing multitask. Right under. Beautiful. That just flipped the cylinder over there. Nice and quiet.